So we have a products table called tblProducts. If we want to return the items under £100, we can use the filter function to extract their rows. In the array argument, we reference the table name to return all columns. In include, we select the price column and put a less than operator followed by 100. This gives us what we want. But perhaps we want to go one step further because we want value for money. We want to return the items that cost under £100 but have a rating of 4 or above. Using the same condition as the first example, we put an asterisk after, which is the multiplication operator to represent AND criteria. Then we specify our second condition, referencing the rating column and including the greater than or equal to operator, followed by the value. If you are using multiple conditions, make sure you enclose each one in brackets just to avoid any unusual results.